Hey guys!
Hello guys!
Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So this is me, Sophia.
And this is JD.
And we're here again for another vlog. So ngayon, i-vlog namin tong mga car.
You know, alam mo yung mga animals? Sasakyan naman. This is the Green Lantern car.
Wala pa guys.
Hey bro. Wait guys. Tayo the bus.
Tama, ito sa'yo.
This is Monster Truck Blue.
And this is Monster Truck Red. Tingnan dyan. Tingnan nyo guys, may sasakyan dito si Jai. May gulong kasi. Diba? And then, Jai.
Bro, wait. This is Tayo the bus.
This tayo the bus. Madami sila.
Guni and Garo.
Garo. That's
Hey. And this
Okay.
is dog. This is truck. Ay, this is truck. And this is ano, truck number 2.
this is a train.
And this is Chase.
Wala si Sika.
And this is Baby.
Dapat sinabi mo and this is
Blue. Kidding.
Huwag mong tanggalin.
This is me. That is me. That is my baby.
This is a racing car.
Okay, that is true. That is true. That is a racing car.
Hindi ako makita daw, matulong na.
Wait lang. And this is racing cars too.
Racing car too. Hey, we got more.
Wait a minute.
And this is monkey. And this is monkey.
There's another monkey.
And this is gorilla.
And this is gorilla. Guys,
And why Garo?
Jai,
Look
Jai,
like here.
kikis nila.
Hey guys, kiss this. Kiss.
Anak niya to guys. Anak niya, kaso maitim yung anak niya. Ayaw, kikis.
Hindi, nasunog.
Nasunog yun. Ayan.
Hello guys. My name is Gorilla. This is ambulance.
Ayun lang. Ayun lang. Ito po.
This is car number 2.
Bukas na namin gagawin yung part 2. Part 2. Bye!
Bye-bye.